Let's go over to white label quickly. I just want to see everything, what your domain is. This is how you like it. You have the landing page, data on demand, all set up how you want. So this is AvocaData. This is on GoHighLevel. And then same thing, login, just routes right over. That would work, not a problem. And then if you want to add, these are already in here, so people click around them, they end up on different places. So now that you have all this set up, all these pages, merchant, there's a second domain you can white label now, which is the marketplace. So this is where all your individual data products show up, like Shopify. So think of it as like a Shopify, but for data. You're able to pre-package things so people can buy it, and then you can send them the links directly. This link allows them to purchase the list, and you can choose to show a list in advance. You can add details about the list. That's the data story.
So for my use case, just for an example, if they want to do reverse mortgages, and I just put together a list of, people over 65 or whatever, then they could just purchase the list.
Yes. So you would go to marketplace after you get that data store on an A type.
Okay.
And then you would click on data store right here. It says create data store. These are actually data products. You're talking a specific industry. So what industry were you talking about?
It would be mortgages, lending.
So you can make categories and you can make subcategories. If it doesn't exist, you have to create it in advance. Go to create data store. I'm going to select my categories first, homes and lending, name it.
Reverse mortgage search, 65 plus.
And obviously you can name this however you want and describe it. So
there's not a way to do LTV in here, is there? They would have to have 50% equity.
So, okay. So no, but that's where you come in. So we can say this is a data set of people who were searching mortgages in 2025 and are over the age of 65.
And we could really set it up to actually search that, or intent.
Yes. So we've collected probably over all of 2025, like 25 billion different searches. We're not really doing the intent up to date anymore. On the aged intent's actually working better, because people who are looking up for a mortgage today are more likely than not nowhere even close in the pipeline.
Sure.
Looking up a year